start to
Good morning, everyone. Okay, so now again a new policy has been maintained by college institutions. There would be a conservatory session between students and the faculties that are mandatory, that has to be followed. Okay, so there was a question from your friend. Is who's there? He hasn't joined yet. Okay, fine. Clear, right? My voice is clear. Am I audible? Can anyone respond me up?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that was asked about your laboratory, how you have to write. Okay, so you have definitely followed in your previous semesters and all that, how to been followed. Okay, there would be your aim, there would be aim or title, whatever you may call that, or you may write in that manner. Okay, there would be apparatus required, what in where you have, like if you are doing in MATLAB software, then just place in MATLAB software. If you are doing at homework, okay, sorry, in your that paperworks, okay, so that do not require to write anything. Okay, and then in theory part, there will be a minimum theory, okay, that you have to write, that is the definitions, and a few basic diagram, that if it is a load curve, then the small load curve can be more than enough to do so. Okay, that is what is required. And then the procedure, how you have done, okay, for the load curve, the entire procedure what you have followed, okay, you have to write that. You have to paste the results, you have to paste the observation table, and in load curve, it is your entire that table, okay, from where you have gained that load curve. So that session would be there in your lab, because for every experiment. Okay, and the conclusion, that is more important part that you have to follow. Fine. So now Can anybody revise me out or revise your friend, brush up your friends, what has been taught in yesterday's classes, okay, or previous classes? Okay, can anyone speak up what we have seen, or uh, we could do in the another way also, that I could ask the questions and you could respond uh, accordingly. Okay. Anyone could recite what we have done or what we have done. That will clear out one more thing, that whether you are following up or not. I have seen the answers are very peculiar and frequent. Okay, whenever you says the answer. Okay, that is very nice of you all, that you study and you definitely know more of stuffs. So can you turn up anyone and can say what things has been covered?
So mainly power plant section is covered. All the power plants like nuclear, thermal, water, solar, and wind power plants.
In previous class, Pius?
Sir, distribution.
Yeah, perfect. So we have done distribution. So what thing we have seen in distribution?
Distribution.
Yes, Sushil Kumar Dubey, you can say. Mrityunjay is here. Yeah, tell me.
So distribution, feeder, main service. You have told about generation and
Okay, so can you say in a general term, what is your distribution system? And there was from the girl side, there was a two of them that used to respond frequently. That is your Sobha and Poonam, I think so. Oh, they haven't joined. Okay, fine. So what is distribution system? What we have seen? A general definition, a very general definitions. And we'll come up with each and every particular point what one of your friend has named. Okay, what is your?
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में आप बताएं.
Yes, please.
सर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम मेनली कैसे पावर को डिवाइड करते हैं. सर आप बताए बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज कॉलेजेस में पावर को हाई वोल्टेज पे ही सप्लाई किया जाता है और उनको बोला जाता है कि वो अपने लेवल पे ही स्टेप डाउन वोल्टेज के लिए ट्रांसफार्मर सेटअप कर लें. जैसे आप अपने कॉलेज का एग्जांपल दिए थे, उड़ीसा का शायद
IIT खड़गपुर का.
Yes, IIT खड़गपुर का भी. Yes. हाँ, तो ओके वी अगर उसको डिफाइन करें एकदम जनरल वे में डिफाइन करेंगे कि व्हाट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम. इफ वी डिफाइन व्हाट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम, व्हाट वी कैन से, वी कुड से it is
a combination of step down and step up transformer with transmission line.
Okay, so step and step down discussion. Okay, and और कुछ?
Sir, we can say it is a path between the generator and a load.
Yeah, one of the part, not the part, one of the part. Okay, or we could also say this that distribution system is a part of power system which distributes. Okay, the word that has been searched in this is which distribute electrical power for the local use. Right, this is a basic definition you could say. Right, this is a one of the part, or you could say that distribution system is a part, okay, which distributes electricity. See, in a power system, the generating stations have the role to generate electricity, right? In transmission line, it transmits from the generation station to the needed areas or the local ends. Right now, it transmit, okay, in a huge bulk amount, right? But the distribution system, what it does is it distributes, okay, in the local use, okay, in the consumer end, okay, from the nearest substations, okay, where I have shown you the single line diagram, okay, where it was a bulk your transmitted, or in the secondary side of transmission line, okay, where the substation were there, okay, where from 132 or 220 kV it was reduced to the 33 kV, okay. That is a major substations where from that particular substation is again divided to the areas where it is required, okay. It will be directly sent to the 33 kV to the nearest one, or it would be, if it is for the commercial and residential use, it will be step downing that into another 33, or sorry, to your
33 to
6.6.
11, sir.
Yeah, तो 11 either 11 को कर सकते हो और 6.6 को कर सकते हो, or in the other required manner, okay. So एक flow है, okay. So whenever someone asks you what is distribution system, you could say the distribution system is a part of power system which distributes electrical power, okay, to the end user or to the local use. The entire system which draws is your distribution system, okay. Now उसका second segment में आया था that Mrityunjay has already said, okay, that is feeder, distributor and service main, okay. So that is a part, okay, that's a part of a distribution system. So what is feeders? Feeders is also used in the transmission line segment also, okay. That is a major in the primary and even in the secondary transmission systems, okay. It is a connector between one substation to another substation is a feeder, okay. That is also called feeder. So tell me what is feeder now. If we talk about only your distribution segment, okay, so what is feeder?
So feeders are the conductors which feeds the distribution substation electrical power from another substation.
Okay, that is okay. If we talk about transmission line, okay, yeah, it is a connector, okay. It is a kind of connector, or we called that you told it is a conductor which connects to substation, or if we talk about this particular distribution system, it is a conductor which carries or which distribute electrical power from the local substation to the distributor, right? We could also call this that feeder is a conductor which connects a substation, okay. Or if we talk about recent trending is your smart grid. Agar we call about the smart grid, in that smart grid there is a segment of DS. It's not a distribution system, it's a distributed generation, okay. That is your localized generator, like solar, a small solar park is a very rated small solar park, okay. So that is also a generating system from that point to area, okay, where it is being distributed, right? So we have given two examples for the feeder. One once, like your friend that I know his title only, that is Pradhan, okay. He just told that it is a conductor which connects from one substation to another. Perfect. Now another is a conductor which connects at the localized substation to the distributor, okay. This is the feeder example. Now, so what is now distributor? Can anyone tell me what is distributor?
So distributor are also the conductors which connects feeders to the service mains.
Okay. And what is the difference between feeder and distributor?
सर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हम लोग तक पहुंचाता है लाइट इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर,
Okay.
और जो फीडर होता है वो एक पर्टिकुलर सब स्टेशन पे पहुंचाता है.
Okay. Now another property that yesterday we discussed, that's why I'm drawing this, okay. another properties, why, what is the consideration it is taken while designing your feeder and while designing your distributors? Okay.
सर फीडर के लिए कंसिडरेशन होता है कि करंट कैरिंग कैपेसिटी के ऊपर हम लोग ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर पे हम लोग वोल्टेज ड्रॉप को कंसीडर करते हैं सर.
Yes, perfectly answered. In feeder there is no tappings. ठीक है, tappings अगर रहने पे whenever there is a tappings, what happens? Current divides, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that's why we concentrate on the current part for the feeder, and for distributor we focus on the voltage. That it acts like a bus bar from where you can tap out the voltages, and definitely based on the load connected on the end of that distributor or the service main from where it has been tapped and it is delivered, so that is being connected, right? Now tell me what are the parts are given here. This is your distribution system, or you call also, I will write a localized generation, it will be better. Okay, I will write as localized generating system. Okay. Now, tell me what the components are present in this particular frame out. What is this? I will change the color. Okay. What is?
So all are distributed.
All are distributor. What is this? Yesterday we drawed this one, right? Yesterday we drawed.
Feeder.
Perfect. Who told this feeder? These two are feeder. Okay. There is no tappings. Okay. What is a feeder? Feeder, we told it connects to the from a substation. Okay, this is a general station or the substation, whatever you consider. Okay, it connects from this substation to the distributor, right? Now
Yes.
this is your distributor, right? Why so? Because
there are tappings.
pings, right? So this is your distributor. Okay, now these arrows are
Tappings.
okay. Tappings are this particular point we call, we whenever we tap out, like you know, in previous
These are
decade.
supply mains.
Yeah, supply mains.
Service mains or something.
Supply mains or service main, whatever you say. So what is the role of service mains? It supplies energy from
Yes, sir.
distributor to the household.
Consumer end.
Consumer end, right? So we call that the consumer meters. Okay. This particular. So this is are generally at mounted. Tap are made from the mounted transformer, right? The local transformer would be present at your area. From that particular point only, it is tap and it is again connected to the all houses. Okay. So these were the thing. Just get it clear out before going further into it, right?
सर सर्विस में एक बार फिर रिपीट कर दीजिए तो.
Service means is a connector, okay, or is the line which is connecting from the distributor to the consumer end or consumer meter. Okay, like feeder role is from nearest localized generating station or the localized substation to the distributor, right? Both are the conductors. Now distributor is it is also a conductor, right? But the difference between both are is, in this current should be constant and in this voltage should be constant. So the tappings are not involved in your feeder, but tappings are involved in your distributor. Both functions are same, right? but only the positions and its characteristics why it is meant for is different, right? In feeder, it is also a conductor which carries your electrical power, right? But it is from nearest substation to the distributor, right? And distributor is a point, okay, or the conductor, you could also call it as a bus bar, from where it is being tapped out, right? Now, service main is, it is the conductor which connects the distributor and the consumer. Okay, like I am a consumer, I have my house, so whatever wire, okay, whatever conductor is being used, okay, to connect from the local this transformer, and it is being connected to the my house, so that particular would be this. Now every house will have a different set of wires, so, or either it could be done if it is in apartment, okay, so it will be like this, okay, your transformer would be just outside, and from that particular point it would be tapped to the downside. There would be a service main box, okay, where you will have a two bus bar kind of system. If anyone resides in, uh, in any apartment and all, you could see below their apartment you will have a big box kind of thing, okay, where two bus bar would be there. What is a bus bar? Uh, it is a just a plate, okay, plate of a conducting material, okay, which consists of your electrical power, which floats, which electric power floats in this particular point. Even you could see this bus bars, okay, it is present between this mechanical department and electrical department, okay, just beside, not the upfront part, okay, between these two there would be a box, okay, that is being broken, but it is open, okay, either you open from back side or from the front panel, okay, you could see a long rod kind of things would be there, okay, that is your bus bar where electrical power flows, okay. From here it is tabbed and it is connected to this particular pipe, and it is tabbed and it is connected to your electrical department. So the voltage would be, as voltage would be flowing to that, so voltage would be same, definitely current drawn, it will be different based on the loads, okay, but the voltage would be similar, okay. So your service main is a conductor or connector, you could say, that connects your distributor and customer, right? Yeah, see over here you could see service mains. A service main is generally a small cable which connects the distributor to the customer terminals, fine. Now distributor is a conductor from which tappings are taken for supply to the consumer, okay. There is a figure where you see the current through a distributor is not constant because trappings are taken at various places along its length, okay. So while designing a distributor, voltage drop along its length is the main consideration, since the statutory limit of the voltage variation, the variation would be plus minus 6%, that is being involved, okay, of the rated value of the consumer terminals. Means if I require certain amount of voltage or power, so there would be a variation, okay, it may increase or may reduce, okay. And you could also see a feeder definition and distributor definition. You could just collide that, okay. A feeder is a conductor which connects substation or localized generation station to an area where power is distributed, okay. Now no tappings are there, right? Tappings are involved, okay, are taken from the feeder so that current in it remains the same throughout, okay. The main consideration is your current capacity, okay. This is the only segment, right? Now we have also seen yesterday that about the classification of the distribution system, okay. So what is we have seen is your nature, right? Nature of current. So we know what are the two natures, your distributions, DC and your AC, right? So based on this, there are two type of that we'll see AC distribution system and also we'll see DC distribution system. Okay. Then another is based on the construction. Okay, type of construction. Okay, that is overhead system, underground system. Okay, so where are these two are being used? Okay, tell me in India where these two are being used. Anyone knows where it has been overhead has been used and where the underground systems has been used in India?
Sir, Geo Fiber underground system से आता है.
Okay, Geo Fiber is underground. Okay, fine. Nikhil, yes, Nikhil.
Sir,
Yes,
heavily
Sir,
dense area.
underground system, sir, it is used where densely populated area, sir. Underground one, sir.
Okay.
So mainly
And-
metro areas are used in underground.
Yes, in all the metro cities, they have converted because huge buildings and constructions are being made. So it's very difficult, though it is expensive, it is being used. And another locality where it is being used is, and tell me in the transmission part in India where the underground cables have been used for the transmission segment. One of your friends said about Geo Fibers. Okay, yeah, that has been generally transmitted in this underground only, but tell me in another form like also. We'll also study about underground cables and all. In Pondicherry, you could see underground.
Chandigarh.
Not Chandigarh, Pondicherry. Okay, in that localities you could see. Okay, where islands are there. Okay, there is no way to construct your towers, right? So that's why they do. And this overhead lines, okay, it is being used in everywhere. You could see in beside your house also that overhead systems are being used. Now this overhead system, if you have noticed, this has also been modified. You could see they are using the cables. Okay, earlier it was in the distributor system also there were 4-wire system. Okay, 3 phase and 1 ground or neutral, right? In this manner they used to flow. Okay, which is rated of 415 volts and each this would be of 220, right? This is the rating, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is of 415 for these 3 phase and this entire is your 220, right? In this manner it is been distributed. So okay, earlier the distribution system that is now transforming in every state and everywhere wherever it has been possible. Okay, that is been changing. You could see in near localities. Earlier it was 3 different phases and 1 neutral. Now what they are doing is it was an open conductor, right? Now they are using the cables that is covered with the insulators and it is been around, means the area, okay, where these area were used and a lot of theft was made. Okay, they were used to have tappings between these. So from these kind of advanced or this kind of errors, whatever you say, it is being made. So they are came up with the what the underground cables used to pass. Similarly, these cables, okay, which is insulated and it is round forming a one particular okay unit, and it is being distributed and it is being laid down everywhere they are changing. All the distribution, old distribution change are being changed. Okay, so the benefits are there is no theft. Okay, in the wire, definitely if you want to have, okay, they could have from the poles area, okay, where you could get it out, okay. But what they are being relieved from, they cannot have tappings from in between the lines, okay. And even in the windy conditions or bad weather, okay, there was chances to get short circuit, okay, between these two or from ground. So that is also been uh, improved, okay. So these are being changes. You could see in local areas of your hometown as well, okay. You will found that they are replacing, okay. Now another seam is that is where you has, okay, ACSR cables, right? So that is ACSR cables. Yeah. You would study, or you have already studied, sir would have already taught up you about that, okay. Next is your scheme of connections, okay. That is your radial and ring mains and interconnected system. So where it is being used, okay, radial, where ring mains are being used, okay, and where the interconnector system are used. So what is, anybody knows what is radial system? You could,
Yes, sir.
yeah, tell me.
So where the supply source is only one, the system is
Okay, so what is radial? This means the pick of your radial or the layout of your radial system. You said,
जैसे लोग
yeah,
कबाड़ जैसे घर में आता है, ये रेडियल सिस्टम के थ्रू आता है सर, ट्रांसफार्मर से अपने घर तक।
perfect. So you could say that is a kind of root of tree. Perfect. The best example कैसे होता है? This is your root starting segment. Above it is your branch and there would be your leaves, right? इसका देखो radial कैसे आएगा? This is your, I'm drawing, this is the segment, okay. There are multiple segments, right? The best example is your root of a tree, okay. It is a kind of radial, okay. The main particular point would be there and it would be connected. Now tell me what is the demerit of this, why we have gone with the radial part? Can anybody say what is the demerit of this? We'll see more in depth, okay. Just I'm discussing while
Sir, if the supply gets failure, it could be easy to supply the consumers.
yeah, chalo. That is a perfect answer. What is being meant, what your friend is telling, okay. So I will be using a larger area instead. Okay, if this is the part and it is being connected, and if you could say it is being connected in this particular manner, okay.
So there will be voltage and current division.
Yeah, that is also perfect, right? So there would be definitely generally this this radial part is not a very big connecting units, okay. You could see it is kind of the entire part would be followed from this particular part and this one. The major very important drawback, okay, that is being meant, and that's why the ring vanes have been considered, okay. That is about the failure what he told, okay. What happens, let's take, it is the point where it fault occurs, okay. At this particular point fault occurs, okay, at this particular point. So what will happen, this entire segment would be your isolated, okay. There would be no power fed to the entire region if fault occurs here, okay. And if fault occurs at this segment, okay, this entire segment has to be isolated, okay. There is no other way to supply. Okay, if fault occur this particular point, so your entire network would be isolated. Okay, so this is why they have came up with your, I'm just giving a small hint, and then we'll study in the detail in every connections and scheme. And where it comes, the new part is your ring mains. The based on the name ring mains, it is a complete circle. Okay, it works as a ring. Okay, where supplies are made from two end. Okay, right? So supplies are being made and from the two end of the this entire connection. Okay, so from where, if even fault occurs from there, this entire region would be supplied from this particular part. Okay, okay, if the fault occurs in this unit, okay, fault occurs in this unit, so there would be a backup. Okay, if you have to isolate only this particular segment, so it would be fed, this would be fed by the another part. Okay, if fault occurs in this part, this would be isolated. Okay, if fault occurs in this segment, so this connectivity would be there to supply the entire system. Okay, this is what your this ring means. And interconnected is almost all interconnection. There would be 2 or 3 setups would be there, would be interconnected. Okay, like if yeah, in Chaibasa I have seen there is a person. Okay, where I used to live in a rent in this house. What that person has made, he has a 3 supply units, or we could say a 2 supply unit with 1 backup. That would be very good to say. Okay, as his house, okay, lies at the border of your rural and urban segment. Okay, so what is that at below it, the stairs, okay, you could see a huge panel setups are there. Okay, huge panel setups are there, where what he has done, he has taken supply from the rural area. Okay, why so? Because he has to pay only small units. Okay, the fixed units, right? And even not even the fixed unit, that part would be very less that are being used. Okay, this part is being used to supply your all renters present over there, right, at their home, right? And he has also get a connection from the urban areas, okay, for his household. Now whenever there would be, and he has also a setup of inverter plus battery. Okay, just below it, right? So where he could have or enjoy the reliability of the power. Okay, so in that, what he has made, when the both supplies has been joined, so for his house he has made a connector. Okay, where you generally you could see in a marriage ceremony or another ceremony, when the diesel generators are been there and your grid is been there, so they used to have a changer, okay, which can change to either of the segment. Either you want if power cut is there, it will be connected from the diesel generators, else the grid would be there. Similarly, he has made a setup where rural and urban, where the power supply would be there, he would be changing that particular point to that segment. So this is how he has made his connection, right? So interconnection or would be in the same manner. They would be have the options, okay, where it could be supplied. It will be interconnected. All distributor segments would be interconnected among that. Okay, right.